brick is any combination of these that you choose. So if you say, hey, I want a brick and I only want solar panels, people typing in solar panels, you can do that. But if you also say, I want a brick for solar panels, and you also want to include distributed energy resources, you can combine the two together. And now you have one brick that has two categories. After you make the categories or you make your brick, you can't identify which contact looked up what word. Going more broad, because if you were looking up solar panels and you ended up clicking on another tab that maybe was named renewable energy within the same website, you're now on both of these lists. So there is overlap if your industries are, the keywords are all very similar. So start small, I would say. Now, the second thing with this is you can customize all the data and filter it. So there's a custom database button where all those unique databases end up. Everything that I just showed you within here, if you buy it from us, you never lose access. If you stop paying, then you don't have access. But if you start paying again in the future, it all comes back. Within the white label, you can set up your own market, and anything that you purchase, you can actually resell to your own users. So if you know how GoHighLevel works, it's a similar concept. It's not GoHighLevel, but I just compare it because the idea is with the little investment you make, $500 a month, and you get to keep adding databases, you collect them. And as you collect them, someone down the line might say, hey, can I pay you $200 for some age leads for student debt forgiveness? Well, yeah, I have it. I can go and sell it to you now. So the whole point of this is a tool to break even, right? So if you're able to break even selling a little bit of data, because people, everyone asks everybody. If that's the case, now you can get your leads for free for the month. And that's what I encourage everyone to do. Is if you can find a few people, you can offer them 100,000 leads if you wanted to, because technically you have that ability to do that.